Welcome children. I am Mrs. Ligade MB. In the first video, we see Unit 1.1 poem Be the Best written by the poet Douglas Malloch. In this video, we see workshop of the poem Be the Best. Let's start with the activities. At first, we see the questions from book page number 3. First question: what is the main difference between a pine tree and a scrub? देवदार वृक्ष व खुरटी वनस्पती यांच्यामधील मुख्य फरक कोणता? A scrub is an area covered with small low plants, whereas pine tree is very tall. Second question: what do people like to see along the highway? राजमार्गावर जाताना लोकांना काय पाहायला आवडते? People like to see green grass along the highway. Third question: what is the message given at the end? कवितेच्या शेवटी कोणता संदेश देण्यात आला आहे? Size doesn't matter. What should be remembered is that you should be the best whatever you may be. Now see some words on the screen. Musky, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, reel, sun, star and trail. Now here are two circles. One is small and one is big. You have to write big sized things in big circle and small sized things in small circle. मोठा आकार दर्शवणारे शब्द मोठ्या गोलात व लहान आकार दर्शवणारे शब्द लहान गोलात लिहायचे आहेत. The bigger things are pine, tree, musky, lake, highway and sun. हे सर्व शब्द मोठा आकार दर्शवणारे आहेत. And the smaller things are bass, bush, scrub, reel, star and trail. हे शब्द लहान आकार दर्शवणारे आहेत. Now let's find rhyming pairs of rhyming words from the poem. कवितेतील यमक जुळणारे शब्द आपणाला शोधून लिहायचे आहेत. Rhyming pairs are hill, reel, bee, tree, grass, bass, make, lake, here, near, trail, fell, star and are. Next, coming to our activity, complete the following sentence with appropriate words or phrases from the poem. खालील वाक्ये कवितेतील योग्य शब्द किंवा संज्ञा वापरून पूर्ण करायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स: इफ यू कांट बी अ पाइन, बी अ स्क्रब. सेकंड: इफ यू कांट बी अ ट्री, बी अ bush. Third: if you are a muskie, then just be a bass. Fourth: if you can't be a captain, be a crew. Fifth: if you can't be the highway, be a trail. Last one: if you can't be a sun, be a star. Now let's see whether the following statements are ट्रू और फॉल्स. खालील विधाने चूक किंवा बरोबर ते लिहा. फर्स्ट: ऑल मस्ट बी द कॅप्टन ऑफ द टीम्स. फॉल्स. सेकंड: अ बीट ऑफ ग्रास कॅन मेक द हायवे हॅपियर. ट्रू. थर्ड: वी विन और फेल डिपेंडिंग अपॉन साइज और पोजिशन. False. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. False. If your work is not important, don't do it. False. Whatever jobs you have, do your best. True. Now, let's write an appreciation. For write appreciation, we have to write an appropriate words and sentences of the poem. रिकाम्या जागा भरून कवितेचे रसग्रहण आपणाला लिहायचे आहे. फर्स्ट, द टायटल ऑफ द पोएम इज बी द बेस्ट and it is very simple and easy to understand. The poem is written by well-known poet Douglas Malloch. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and third lines and second and fourth lines. The poet compares big things with small things. If you can't be is a repeated expression in the poem. The line I shall always remember is, there is always something for all of us here. This is the appreciation of poem Be the Best. Now you write complete workshop in your notebook and sing the poem 2 times. Okay, thank you.